اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
Doesn't it? But I can ease the pain. Trust me.
Shut the hell up.
Your survival instinct, I admire it. You've been through a lot, I can tell. It makes this even more exciting.
This damn noise! Come on, keep going. Hugo, Mother, Lucas, they're all that matters. Come here. Come on.
You're
Through here.
trapped.
Quiet. The door. Got to lock him inside.
So you're here. It's been a while since I hunted. Since I met Emily. And you are a wonderful prey.
I'll kill you. Yes. Go. Go. Where's the exit? Give me a goddamn exit.
Running again? You are tireless. If only my men had half your determination.
Shut the hell up.
You did it. Amazing. Oh, you remind me of old times. Of myself. Now, I'll see you where your blood flows.
Please, stop this madness. I can't. Don't faint now. Hugo, they'll take him away. Mother, Lucas, get them out of here. Even if it hurts. Pain. It's all you have. You know it well. So use it. Use it against them.
Don't be afraid. Yes, you failed, but this child was never truly yours. I feel so full of him.
Hugo won't heal the wounds of your past. He will fill no void in you. You'll die. Everybody will.
No! He will be loved. He will shine like a brighter sun, repel this darkness, and I'll just be a mother, watching the first steps of a god.
Shut up! You have no claim to this family!
Amicia! How are you still alive?
Where's Hugo?
Inside, go! Run!
At last!
Sorry, my love, but this one's a hell of a fighter. Now this. This is an invitation I can't refuse. You caught me by surprise. I'm impressed. You're quite something, you know. You face me, thinking with all your soul that you can defeat me.
I can. You won't have my brother.
Such dedication. You have a burning fire inside you. But a flame without discipline doesn't make a soldier. It consumes them from within.
I'm not a soldier!
Oh, I know. You fight because you don't have the choice. I chose this life. This is why you'll fail.
You talk a lot, coward!
Steady your stance. Stand your ground. Grip that sword properly. You're a disgrace to it. You never fight to defend yourself. You fight to kill, to conquer.
Whatever! You're still a coward!
Who do you think you are to defy me?
I'm Amicia de Rune!
Shut up!
And I kneel to no one!
Shut up!
No! Amicia!
You see, you kneel just fine.
No! Please stop! Please stop! From one mother to another.
Enough games, Victor. This is not what we're here for. I'm sorry. War took its toll on my husband. He gets carried away sometimes. I admire you. Your children are strong. Your bonds are strong. When I was her age, I could only wish for this kind of love. But it's not just about us. For love is meant to be shared, to be turned into light. Shone over the whole world. Such is the fate of the Child of Embers.
Love can kill, Emily. By the time you realize that, it will be too late.
For now, it will be quick.
I'm so proud of you.
Amicia? Mummy? I feel funny. Amicia? Mummy? Amicia? Lucas? Where are you? Where is everyone? Oh, my head. Is this a dream? No, it's not. It's real. Oh, there's people. What are you doing?
Emily?
Oh, my baby boy. You should get back to bed.
Hugo.
You killed her.
No, no. I'll take you back to bed. Victor, take him back, will you?
What?
Sire, we can't stay here. We'll get her from inside.
It's you. It's you. I knew it.
Emily, I'll come get you!
No! What are you doing? Please, please! I'll be a better mother. I'll be a better mother.
You need more rats.
Please!
She's stuck. Take her down. Call more.
They'll come for blood.
It's an all cost.
There's your blood. Let the rats eat them.
What are you doing?
We're making you pay. Keep going, Hugo. What? What is that?
Die!
No, Hugo! This is a mistake!
Kill that damn girl. Whatever the cost.
Give us your blood. Too close. They're far too close. Keep going. More rats are coming. That's it! You did it! It's your turn, Emily! We'll spill your blood now!
Emily! No! No!
Sire, we need to evacuate, sire. It's too
Let me
late.
go! Let me go!
Sire, your people need you, sire.
You will never leave this island! I'll finish this!
Amicia? Amicia, where are you?
I'm here! Oh no! Hugo! 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 No! Answer me! Say something! Hugo! No! Oh, thank you! Thank you! We're all right! You're all right! We're all right! Please, Hugo. Say something. Look at me, please. I need you.
Amicia, we can't stay here.
He won't talk to me.
We need to leave.
Hugo, answer me.
Amicia, we need to leave.
To go where?
The harbor. We're leaving this place.
I want rest.
You can rest when you're safe.
We will never be, Lucas. Never. There can be no peace for us. Look at him.
I'll lead the way. Don't think. Just follow me. I'll be your path for the both of you. I'll carry you if I must. But I'm taking you out of here. Take a deep breath and stand up. You did it. Come on, Hugo. Good. I'm taking you out of here. Is it the arm?
Shoulder.
We have to fix it.
Do it.
Don't move. It's gonna hurt. Are you all right? Come on. Hugo, let's go.
Breathe. Come on. Anything will help. You need it.
There has to be a way out. Look, up there, an opening. It's our way out.
How do we?
The upper floor. There may be things up there we can use.
I'll look. Stay with him.
Amicia, you're still hurt.
Try to bring him back. However you can. Please.
Fine. But don't go too far. Well, Hugo, I think you can hear me. I'm sorry. I need to know if you're all right.
Blocked.
Skin's
Can't
pale.
move this thing from here.
The macula's marked, though. It looks larger. Must mirror the
That
spread inside your mind.
Cart up there.
Let me see your eyes. Pupils not dilated.
No.
You're barely blinking.
Keep going. Come on. Hold on. Oh, you have to hold on. What a mess. I can't. can't. Oh, please. Please. How am I going to do this? Please. I can't. Help me. Lord. Stop. Stop. Stand up. Stand up and go. A pole with a rope.
Hugo, if you can hear my voice, move one of your fingers.
Be careful!
That's something. Good one. We'll try to climb up.
Yes! How is he?
His mind is extinguished. I think it's not just the shock. It's the macula.
So he's not coming back.
Not yet.
Let's use this thing.
It's stuck. It's too high.
There's no other way, Lucas.
Amicia, let's push and see what's behind. Extinguish the flames.
We saw those things inside the carrier's tomb.
It will kill the sun.
What?
Sunkiller. The Light Devourer. It's the nebula the old texts talk about. It's real.
I'm home.
No. No! This isn't home! Hugo, look at me!
It's not him, Amicia. It's the macula talking, trying to fill the void left by your mother's death.
I should have saved her, but... We can still finish this. You hear me, Hugo? We can find that bastard Count and kill him!
No, enough! Amicia, we need to leave this damn rock and take him away from here. He's drowning. Amicia, focus. You need to push back. Talk to him. Keep him afloat. He needs you.
All right. All right. Stay very close.
The nebula's all around us. Mind your torch.
Yes. Watch out! What is...
That's what I was talking about. Stay away from those fumes.
It burns!
Stay cautious. There's more.
I see them!
Careful!
This is worse than anything. Oh no! If those were here!
So what? Move!
I think he's doing it.
What?
I felt his body spasm right before it all burst.
I told you. His bond with Immacula is getting stronger.
I know you're still there, Hugo. Please hold.
Bloody hell! We need to be more careful.
Lucas, there's something ahead.
I see it. What the hell? It cannot be.
How many are there inside?
Yes, I'm here.
Hey,
I'm waiting.
let's go, Lucas, now.
Yes.
Come, Hugo.
No! I'm staying.
There is nothing here for you.
This is home. This is...
Stop! You're coming with me, whether you want to or not. You hear me? He's coming with me!
You made it so angry. They're coming! Run! Stay close to the wall!
Quick, they'll tear this place apart! Not fast!
No! Don't look back! Run! There's a zombie!
Down, go down, quick!
Oh, this is so bad!
The sunlight's at the back! Run to it as fast as you can! Damn you! We're getting out of here! You won't take him! You hear? It's over!
Breathe. Breathe.
Hugo? Hugo? See? There's still light. Yes, that's our blood. That's you. We're not done yet. We should go.
Yes, I'm ready.
We still have to reach the harbor.
Wait. The village. There's something wrong with the sea.
The land is gone.
It's me.
No.
I did this.
The rats did.
I did. I did it.
No. The Count and Countess did. Let's go. Let's just go.
Goodness. The tremors brought those bloody eggs out in the open.
Yes, they're still here.
Always. Always in my head.
Hugo?
Let him, Amicia.
You are not in charge. I am the one in charge. You obey me. You hear me? You obey me.
All right. I think they heard you.
I've never seen you do that.
Because it hurts.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You felt that? That tremor wrecked the oil jars.
Soldiers.
Why do we still want the child? He'll be the end of us. He ruined everything. This happened because he's under the influence of that defiler girl. That's why the Count wants her dead at all costs.
Let's hope it works.
Defiler. You've earned a new title, Amicia.
The Count's still alive and spreading his lies. Anyway, they're after us, so watch out. Careful, they're free. That's one. No. Just let us go.
Yes, soldier. They went this way. No doubt. Stay out of sight. It was useless to flee.
You found us.
Over here! Don't let them escape!
We've been spotted!
Mind the drop.
Yes.
Too high. We need something to reach it. This, maybe. Let's go, quick. We're in.
There's a boat over there.
Yes. Please be alive. Please be alive.
I can't believe our Countess is dead. I heard the Count is so devastated he won't even be there for the hanging. They built a gallows on the harbour square for Arno.
They're hanging the walls? Damn them, I wanted to see that.
Yes, me too.
He's not dead. He needs us.
We don't have time.
We must go.
Really? Even after what he's done? All right. We need to reach that harbour anyway. We get Arno on the way and we get out of here. Careful with the drop here.
All right.
Here it goes.
It's falling! Watch out! Don't just stand there watching! Move your asses! This is their only exit route, and their time is as short as ours! Keep patrolling! Take the child away from the defiler!
Yes, sir!
You stay right there, you hear?
Lucas, use his stupefaccio.
Yes. Move when the smoke spreads. Quickly! We don't have much time.
Source link. Check.
Oh no.
No, no! He got killed! Nasty critters. It was another false alarm. I knew it.
No! Alicia!
What's that? Again? I'm on my own here. Stay out of sight. Over here! We've got company!
They're upon us!
Back off! What's moving there?
Intruders here!
They see us!
Intruders, catch them now!
They found us!
We've got company! Stay alert! I will! Everyone here! Intruders!
They're upon us!
Hit those bastards! Over here! Seize them! Found them! Don't let them escape!
We've been spotted!
Ah! Hiding behind that's not gonna help you.
Climb up. Up we go.
Any news from the palace?
Nothing yet.
Intruders here! Seize them!
They've seen us!
We've got intruders! Come with me! It's your cover back there, I'm going! Here! Capture them!
What's the sound?
Get here! We've got company!
They found us!
can't escape! Track them down!
Come on, up.
Get held.
Yes. Now where's Arno?
We must go faster. They're going to kill him.
We're doing all we can.
If they kill him, I'll kill all of them.
You won't have to. We'll get him out of there. And Sophia too. Up. Be careful how you land.
Very well.
See that, lads? That roaring pig is all quiet now.
Lord, let's go. We have to get closer.
So this is the Arno, the one they call the Wall.
Yes, we have to save him.
Even if he doesn't deserve it.
I see. You've put together quite the troop.
Up we go. Come on, up.
Yes.
How'd you like your necklace, Arno? This is the Wall. Looks just like a part of...
Quiet.
This place is falling apart. To hell with the executioner.
Damn right. This
Let's move closer. It's crowded. Yes, get ready. There are jaws of tar right next to them.
Now, Amicia, do something.
Leave it to me.
Did you come to finish me?
Shut up! We're taking you out of here!
Ha!
Yeah!
She has the child! Take him away from her!
No!
Stick with me!
Trust her, Hugo.
This is not just for us. This child belongs to the world. It's our future. Fight for it! You choose this island.
Be quiet!
Ignore them, Hugo!
We're here with you. We're going home.
Come on! Kill the damn bastards! Remain here, right now! More of them coming! Here! Filthy wretch! Our Countess was a servant of light, and you murdered her!
She died because she...
I have a few extinguishers. I'll help.
Yes!
There. He's yours. Take this. Your turn.
coming! Take the child, whatever the cost!
Hang on, Amicia. You're doing it.
Yes!
They've got reinforcements!
Have that. Bullseye.
That's it! Show them how worthless they are!
I'll blind him. To you, Amicia. Watch out! He's blinded.
Kick their asses till they're mincemeat!
Hugo, I promise!
Good. Now, do you mind taking this bloody rope off my neck?
Yes. Right.
Watch out! Heavy bastards approaching!
You've done enough damage!
Oh no! Hugo, stay here!
And you'll get a quick death!
Never!
We're here to save you, son!
Wrong!
Bloody hell!
It's over now.
We did it, Hugo.
Yes. Breathe. Calm down now. Let's free Arno, right?
Yes.
please.
Come on.
Hugo says it was his.
Sophia!
You took your sweet time. Come aboard. Go collapse somewhere. Wait. And your mother?
She won't come back.
We must go. Now. I see. I'll take it from here. You, come!
She's never coming back.
I know.
I wanted to tell her a lot of things.
Me too. But she knew everything already. You were her greatest gift. She loved you the way you are, the way she made you. We will live. And we will heal. The scars? We keep them so that we don't forget. So that we can accept. Until they don't hurt anymore.